Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to review Kalshi and help you decide whether it's worth using or if it's better to skip it. Let's dive in. Kalshi is a unique financial platform that allows you to trade on the outcomes of real-world events. You can make predictions on topics like elections, weather and economic trends. The platform is fully regulated, offering users a secure way to participate in prediction markets. While it's exciting, keep in mind it also comes with financial risk. In terms of pros, Kalshi offers a wide variety of events to trade on and features a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Its regulated status also provides an added layer of trust and security. On the con side, Kalshi is still relatively new, and trading fees can add up over time, especially if you're making frequent trades. So is Kalshi worth trying? If you enjoy speculative trading and understand the risks involved, Kalshi can be an exciting platform to explore. Just make sure to do your research before getting started. And that's it. I hope this Kalshi review helped you decide whether it's the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.